Standing toe taps are a great low-impact cardio and core exercise that improves balance, coordination, and lower body strength. Here's how to do them properly. How to do standing toe taps. 1. Start position. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Place a small object, like a step dumbbell or cone, about 6 to 12 inches in front of you. 2. Engage core. Tighten your core to maintain balance and protect your lower back. 3. Begin the movement. Lift your right foot and tap the top of the object lightly with your toes. Quickly bring your right foot back to the floor. Immediately lift your left foot and tap the object. Alternate feet at a steady pace, like jogging in place but tapping in front. Reps and sets. For cardio, 30 to 60 seconds per set. For coordination balance, 10 to 15 taps per foot. 2 to 3 sets. Modifications. Beginner. Tap the floor or a low object instead of lifting the foot high. Advanced. Speed up the pace or use a higher object for a greater challenge. Tips. Keep your knees slightly bent. Stay light on your feet. Avoid leaning too far forward. Keep your chest up and shoulders back. Please check my next video.